Hey everyone, it's Rahim and you are watching the Everyday Talk on YouTube, where I use my research and knowledge to make sure that your decisions regarding buying tech for yourself is made easier and fun, and you end up buying something which best fit your need and can boost your productivity. We all travel daily for various reasons, such as studies, work, or as a profession. EDC or the everyday carry is something we carry with us through our day, and this video is my take on sharing with you some interesting and useful items I have been added recently into my EDC. These items may not perfectly fit yours, but I am sure that you will get something to add into your everyday carry. Let's dive into the video, but it would be highly appreciated if you consider subscribing to the channel with the bell icon pressed at any point during the video when you feel like it helped you or you want more of such videos in your YouTube feed to make it more productive. Let's get started. Starting off with my daily driver and smartphone of choice, iPhone 12 in blue color. I know that it may sound a bit outdated for a tech enthusiast, but it was my huge upgrade from the iPhone 6s last year. Since then, I have been loving this iPhone 12 as it is compact and powerful enough to help me multitask throughout the day. Let it be video editing, photographs, or designing graphics on Canva. This iPhone has never disappointed me in any field. The battery life may not be that impressive as compared to the phones or the smartphones which Samsung has to offer, but the power is worth sacrificing a little bit of battery. As I have talked a lot about iPad 9th generation on this channel, it is one of my daily drivers when it comes to the EDC. With that, I always carry my Apple Pencil to jot down ideas on the go, and it also helps me in editing videos for this YouTube channel remotely. This little beast helped me edit videos, thumbnails, and create designs for my little hobby-based business. Starting from the date it was released till this day, there is nothing that I have thrown on this iPad and it hasn't handled it with flying colors. I would highly recommend you guys getting it if you are on a budget and want to get a good quality tablet. So guys, when on the move, nothing could be more relaxing and mesmerizing than the good music and a podcast. For that, I have been using Spotify as my go-to music and podcast provider. But with that, a good pair of headphones is also very important to have, and this slot is filled by my two favorites, AirPod Pros first generation and the Skull Candy Crushers ANC headphones. Starting with the AirPods, I have been using them from almost 2 years now, and they have been a great pair of wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation. While sitting in public areas and noisy environments, they have helped me focus on my work. The ANC is not top notch, but good enough to be practically usable. Now let's talk a little bit about the Skull Candy Crushers ANC. They are not the best pairs of active noise cancelling headphones, but they are not with me for the active noise cancellation whatsoever. If you know that these headphones are called crushers for a reason, as they provide haptic bass so strong that it blows off your mind. I usually use these in gyms, and it not only cancels the music being played in the background, but provide a bass which act as a motivation for me in the gym. Guys, before moving forward, I would say that so far, if you are finding this video informative and enjoying what you are seeing, consider subscribing and press the bell icon, as it will help us grow as a family together and encourage us to provide you the quality content like this. Before I say anything else, I must admit that I am a fan of compact and sleek bags, but finding a good bag of such kind is a real pain in Still, with a lot of research and experimentation, I have created a collection of sleek and slim bags for myself which could best fit my needs. This shoulder bag or crossbody bag from Domiso is one from that collection. This bag is a part of my current EDC with a large compartment having soft fabric inside, holding my iPad 9th generation or iPad Pro 11 inches and one small and one big zipper compartment, and that is more than enough to help me carry my EDC easily and in style. Moreover, this bag could be worn in either horizontal or vertical position and is durable enough to cope up with my rough daily routine. Now coming towards the MagSafe wallet. I have been an Apple MagSafe wallet user, but lately I have shifted to MagSafe wallet stand, which is brought from a Chinese vendor called Blue Wow. I wasn't sure that I need a MagSafe stand wallet, so bad before I started using this product. It easily stores 3 cards and could act as a steady stand whenever needed. They offer it in various colors, but the one I have is blue. I have attached it with a simple iPhone 12 case and a magnetic ring for MagSafe bought separately. This setup had worked great for me, and the magnetic ring at the back have also enhanced the magnetic connection between the case and the wallet. Apart from that, I also carry a bifold wallet or a bifold leather wallet which carry cash and some extra cards for me. This is an amazing bifold wallet in a premium quality. You can learn more about this wallet in a short section of the video I have created. Last but not the least, I carry my PSP 4001 to play retro PSP games on the go. It helps me relive the nostalgic moments and kill time in an entertaining way when needed. Currently, I am obsessed with the God of War and Assassin's Creed titles available for the PSP. So guys, that's all from this video. We are a relatively new channel trying to share our knowledge with you people and gaining some from you. If you like the video or find it informative, give it a quick thumbs up, and subscribing to the channel would be highly appreciated and help us grow together as a family. With that, keep on rocking and enjoying the life as much as you can, making sure that you use it for some great cause. Have a good one, fellas.